Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates on all things real estate. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, real estate investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, there's something here for everyone. First off, let's talk about why real estate can be a fantastic investment. Unlike stocks and bonds, real estate offers tangible assets. Here are a few reasons to consider investing in real estate. Cash flow. Rental properties can provide a steady income stream. Appreciation. Over time, properties tend to increase in value. Tax benefits. Investors can take advantage of various tax deductions. Diversification. Real estate can help diversify your investment portfolio. Inflation hedge. Real estate often appreciates during inflationary periods. So, what are the types of real estate investments? Let's break them down. Residential properties, single-family homes, duplexes, or condos. Commercial properties, office buildings, retail spaces, or warehouses. Industrial real estate, factories and distribution centers. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, a way to invest in real estate without buying property. Vacation rentals, short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb. Now that we know why and what, let's discuss how to get started in real estate investing. Here are some essential steps. Educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, or take online courses. Set your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments. Analyze your finances. Know how much you can invest and explore financing options. Choose your market. Research neighborhoods and markets that interest you. Start small. Consider starting with a single-family home or a small multifamily property. Network. Connect with other investors, real estate agents, and professionals. Let's not forget about common mistakes to avoid. Skipping research. Always do your homework on properties and markets. Underestimating costs. Account for maintenance, taxes, and unexpected expenses. Neglecting due diligence. Always inspect properties and review documents carefully. Getting emotionally attached. Stay objective. It's a business decision, not having an exit strategy. Always plan for the future and know when to sell. Investing in real estate can be a rewarding journey with the right knowledge and strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone interested in real estate. Leave your comments below. What's your biggest question about real estate investing? I'd love to hear from you.